Alright guys, so I was asked a question on the refrigerators. Why do I replace all three components? Well, I'm going to show you why. I'm going to tell you the reason why I do that, and also show you how I test the components to make sure that they're still good, or if that's the actual issue. In my refrigerator video that I posted, the timer, the defrost timer, was the part that actually failed. But being that it was already starting to show its age, I went ahead and also replaced the defrost thermostat and the temperature control. I'll show you the temperature control, how I test that also. Right now I have that cooling in the refrigerator. So hopefully you'll be able to see where the switch. So what we have right now we're going to test is the defrost timer. I have 4 leads here, and this here is your power. This one here, where's my thing? This one here will go to the defroster, to the heating tubes, and this here runs the fan. So right now I have my multimeter. I have it set on ohms, and we are running, let's see, we're running 0.3 right now. On the back side of the defrost timer is a manual. So now if I go back to that same lead, it's an open line. I come over to this side, which goes to the heat. I'm running 0.4, 0.5, well, 0.3 to 0.5. So right now it's 0.3, still good. Rotate it just off the defroster. Come back over here. Should be about the same, 0.3. So this timer is good. Like I said, normally it's just the defrost timer's gone bad. It's nothing but a fancy clock. Alright, so now I have the thermostat control. This guy goes from 1 to 9. Recommended is 5. Now, certain different brands or even models have different recommendations. You would just basically want it right there in the middle. I had this guy in the freezer, so it's a little cold. So if it was a bad temperature control, this guy here is just nothing but basically it's the thermostat. So right now you could turn it. I have open circuit. Now the temperature is warmed up. This guy is good. Let me put it back on 5 here. So right now I'm getting 0.5 ohms, which is great. I know it will cut off. One, two, three, 4, 5, and at 7 right now, because like I said, it just came out of the freezer. Now it will run the line from the power running through, makes the connection, it runs through to your defrost timer, says, hey, I'm sending you power, turn that fan on. And on the defrost timer, if you remember that middle connector, that's where this gray wire is going to send the power to the left or to the right. To the right, remember, was the fan, and to the left was the defrost. So that's how I test my components out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. Be nice, and we'll see you on the next video. Braxton Boys, out.